what's in the box? Well, it's this. Looking good? Well, we'll see how it sounds. So, according to the box, it's PR1939, which is the Delkevic carbon fiber silencer, 225mm, and I've got it with the Himalayan attachment. I'm going to leave the baffles in. The baffles seem a little bit different from the 225 to the larger one, so that comes from the inside. As you can see, there's nothing in this end, but the end that attaches to the bike, this is where the silencer seems to be. Okay, and you can take it off by removing this bolt here. I think the larger ones have the silencer in the other end, but this one seems pretty cool. It's just there. The silencer appears to be there, but then again, there's no instructions that come with, maybe on the website, but should be able to figure it out. So we'll see what happens. Well, it's off. That was pretty easy. So this is what I'm replacing it with. There's quite a bit of size and weight difference. This weighs a ton. This could be, God knows. I'll have to look it up how heavy it is. But this is damn sight lighter. And the carbon fiber version kind of goes quite well with my Himalayan sleet as well, so it'd be quite cool. So you can see this is what's going to look like when I put the clamps on. So way smaller, and I think it looks pretty cool, really. So when you get the kit from Delkevic for the Himalayan, it comes with a clamp, a new clamp, and other bits and pieces to fit it onto the motor. So yeah, and it also comes with this clamp, so that's going to go onto here somehow. Hopefully it should look pretty cool. Let's see if I can make it work. Has a rubber sleeve which fits over this clamp here. So there seems to be this little extension bit here, which makes it fit. So the extension bit, so I guess when I get it all lined up and tightened up, it should look okay. That's how it looks on the bike. So let's see what it sounds like. So as you can see, it sounds a little different. What do you reckon? Looks good, sounds good.